Hello student, this is Sandeep Singh and I am explain the chapter 5 the hot desert region. In this lesson I have already explained about the hot desert region which are located in different part of the world. Mostly they are located in the western part of the continent because there is no rainfall occur, only a little rainfall like 15 to 25 centimeter rainfall occur in this region. So this region changes into desert, and desert is an area where sandy soil and hot and dry climate found. Okay, so what are the challenges facing in this region? There are various challenges facing in this region. First, we look at the global warming. Okay, global warming is one of the main challenging face the people living in this region. Global warming means when the temperature increase over the earth. Okay, that is called global warming. So here the global warming is the important possible problem which is facing this region. Oases and water holes are dry up rapidly. As you know that there very little water found, but due to the global warming, here these water sources are also decreases. So there are many faces difficulties. Wildfires have become common, destroying the little vegetation that is present. Due to the heat in this region, the fire caught naturally, and where the little vegetation are found, they burn with this fire. So the vegetation are destroyed by these fires. So this is one problem. Next is the desert are spreading. Valuable agricultural land is being lost every year by destroying the forest. The desert is in spreading because when the trees hold the soil, they join to each other, but when we cut the tree, the soil are free, and when the natural power, due to the natural power, the soil laid down to other places, that is called soil erosion. So desert is spreading. Valuable agricultural land is being lost every year. So there are various lands are decreasing due to the increase of desert. Like here a picture given, a super sandstorm in Arizona in USA. Such sandstorms are becoming increasingly common around the world. They help spread desert. Due to the superstorm, okay, the desert is spread because there is no facing a forest or to check these storms by any natural things like mountains, forest, etc. So the desert is increasing in the world rapidly. Next, as a result, over irrigation is the amount of salt in the soil increasing. In desert area, there are salty water found because it has no filter the water. So the water is very salty in this region and making difficult to plant survive. So salty water not suitable for the plants or animals and etc. Farming is therefore becoming increasingly difficult and expensive. So, anyone cannot grow the crops by the salty water. So, it is a main problem in the desert region. The traditional method of grazing followed by the nomads were environmental friendly. The nomadic people of the desert region are used to traditional method, so they were environment friendly. Overgrazing result modern method of raising livestock is destroying the fragile desert environment. But with the help of technology, today the human were suppose the overgrazing, so destroying the fragile desert environment. Okay, powerful off-road vehicle have replaced camel as the popular way traveling across the desert. In these days, the camels are also not used increasingly, so they use the modern vehicles in desert. So camels are also exist in the region. These vehicles are causing desert damage and desert habitat. Okay, so this is the your lesson. Now we look at the main points of the lesson by summing up. So first, a desert is a place that receives little or no rainfall. What is desert? A desert is a place where receive little or no rainfall. The temperature in this region varies greatly during the course of the day. There are two facts are given in this region, that is little or no rainfall and temperature varies. Okay, so two reasons are responsible for the increasing of desert. Okay, the hot desert of the world are located between latitude 15 degree and 30 degree north and south along the western coast of the continent. As we say that the hot deserts are located in the uh, each continent of the western part. They located the latitude between 15 to 30 degree south and north both in hemisphere. Okay, desert plant had adapted to climate in different ways. Which plants are found in the desert region? They are adapted the climate to survive in this region, like they change their leaves into the throne, and its stems is changed very thick. Okay, camels are very well adapted to condition in the desert. They are main means of transport in the desert. Only camel is an animal that adopt the environment of desert, so it is also called the sheep of the desert. The desert region is one of the most thinly populated regions in the world. Most people live in cities near the desert around the oasis. So there are most thinly populated, little population found in this region. Only a part of the population near the oasis are where the rivers flow. Small nomadic groups live in interiors of desert, most of them hunter-gatherers. Some of the nomadic people like Bedouin, Pinpui and San and Tuaregs, they are live in the interior of the desert, and they also hunter and gatherer like tribal people. And farming is practiced in some parts of the desert. Trading an important activity. Farming were practiced there. Some waters found like oases So trading is an important activity. Traders travel caravan and increasingly on desert vehicles. Today the caravan is demolished, whether used of vehicles like truck, bus, van, etc. Global warming and excess human activity are the main challenges facing the desert region. In this region, global warming is the main problem, and human activity also responsible for the changing the desert region. Okay, now next is the exploring new words. There are some words are occurs in your lesson which are given exploring in new words. So let's start now. Desert. You all of know that what is desert? Desert is a sandy area which get less than 25 centimeter of rainfall in a year. Adopted means changes to suit different conditions. If you live in this region, in a particular region, you able to adapt to that region, that is called adaptation. Oasis, a large green place in desert where water comes to surface from underground source. Okay, a place where patch of water comes up from the underground to the surface, that is called oasis, where the greenery also found in this region. Nomadic, traveling from one place to instead of settle in one place. The people who are not stay at one place, they are wandering one place to another, that is called nomadic people, like Bedouins, Tuaregs, Sands, Pintpui, etc. Okay, irrigation, the supply of water to crop through the artificial means. When we supply the water to the field for the crops, that is called irrigation. Karma, a group of people and animals, usually camel laden with good mint trade, traveling in a line across the desert. Fuels, substances that are burnt to provide heat and energy. Next question is workout. Here the question is choose the correct answer. Student, there are 4 options are given in this question. You have to read the question carefully and choose the right option. So first question is, the hot desert region receive around centimeter rainfall in a year. How much receive rainfall the desert region? 200, 100, 300 or 25 centimeter. So you know that the desert region is very low rainfall received in a year, so the correct option is 25 years. Okay, next question. People living in the desert have used as mean transport for 1000 years. Only camels are used for means of transport from 1000 years. The Bedouin people live in Arabian desert. Okay, in Kalahari, the Tuareg people, in Sahara, the Tuareg people, and Kalahari, the Shan. Okay. Next question. Irrigation is the supply of farm through artificial means. That is, the right option is water. Okay, the right option is water. And next is, the Arabian deserts has a rich deposit of 2 important fuels like petroleum. The Arabian deserts are rich in petroleum and natural gas. Okay, like you know that the Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq are the world largest fuel production in the world. Okay, so that's all. In next video we will explain about the true false and question answer. So you have to write these question in your CW copy and answer copy, CW copy and fair copy. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.